So I initially tried this expedition in January 2023 and actually got my ass kicked. A variety of things, poor planning, soft sand, navigation issues, a variety of mechanical issues on the bike. Inevitably ended up that I had to turn around. And good thing I did, but a week later, I went back and tried again. This is that story. Yellow truck, Abu Hassa Desert, January 2023.
All right, so second attempt at the yellow truck expedition. Cold night last night, rained a little bit. It's cold this morning again, but it looks like this weather's clearing. Sun might come up behind those clouds, warm things up a bit. Got a 30k route ahead of me this morning. Hopefully going to get to the yellow truck before the end of the evening and turn and come back a little bit. Bike's a little lighter, less bags, slightly different route, so I'm hoping to be able to get it in the bag this time. Cool.
I ain't going down, not gonna hit the mat. Swing all you want, yeah, I'm swinging right back. Say what you want, I don't give a damn. Come take a shot, 'cause here I am. I walk this desert alone, crawl my way through the dust, built this road on my own. In the eye trust, watch your kingdom fall, your daggers turn to rust. Been on this trail so long, in me I trust. I ain't gonna run, I ain't backing out. I'm gonna prove you wrong. You're gonna shut your mouth. I'm keeping tabs, I'm keeping score. Whatever you get, I'm getting more. I walk this desert alone, crawl my way through the dust, built this road on my own. In me I trust, watch your kingdom fall, your daggers turn to rust. Been on this trail so long.
Yes, I'm into the flats. So that's all I could play shit. Although it was fucking easy this time. If this carries on all the way to the truck, it's going to be easy. I'll be there before lunch. Yeah, famous last words. Alright, so I'm 3 hours in and I've done almost 24 kilometers. Probably got another, I don't know, probably another 8 or 9 to go. Sand's been nice and hard, but I have been battling a bit of a headwind. As you can hear, there's a fair amount of a wind. But it's alright, doing well. Everything seems to be holding up. Batteries are holding up. Lots of water, but blasting sand. But yeah, looks like we're on track. Get there in time. Cool. Whew, holy fuck, look at that big bugger. That's one big fucking dude. Fucking glad I don't have to go over there. Switch the camera on, the wind blows. Alright, so I'm now 3.5 hours in. I've done 30 k's. According to my map, I've got maybe another 4.5, 5 k's left. So far this terrain is not a lot easier. There's quite a lot of hard ground. But it's hard anyway because the sand's pretty hard anyway, so it's fine. But there's been a hell of a headwind. Yeah, so at the current pace I'm doing about 8 k's an hour. I've probably got another, yeah, maybe half an hour and then I'm there, depending on how bad it is up ahead. I'm just going to take it easy, one dune at a time. I definitely think I'll finish before midday, and then probably head back and find one of these spots for a campsite, because they're much nicer campsites and get out of the wind. I can see the wind up there. It's just whipping off the top of the dunes and then it comes plummeting down and blasts you on the tops when you get through these little gullies. Anyway, cool. So half an hour, probably the next time I speak to you, we'll be at the truck. Cool. There we go. Wind. Yes! There it is! Fuck! So, at the other truck. Truck driver. Hey, it still works.
And the mirror's reflection, I'm a dancing with myself. When there's no one else inside, in the crowded lonely night. Well, I wait so long for my love vibration, and I'm dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. When there's nothing to lose and there's nothing to prove, I'm dancing with myself. Every type of girl, but your empty eyes seem to pass me by, leave me dancing with myself. So let's sink another drink, cause it'll give me time to think. If I had a chance, I'd ask a woman to dance, and I'll be dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. Dancing with myself. Well, there's nothing to lose and there's nothing to prove, when I'm dancing with myself.
Alright, so at the yellow truck, it is exactly 36 kilometers from where I started this morning. I've done it in about 4.5 hours, maybe 4 hours 20 minutes. It's a big yellow truck and I'm stuck in the sand. There are no roads here, there are no villages here, there is no fucking clue how the fuck this truck fucking got here. But yeah, I am ahead of schedule, so it is only 1 o'clock. The greatest campsites. It is super windy, as you can hear, so I'm not going to spend the afternoon getting the shit blown out of me here. So I'm going to head back that way until it gets dark, and we'll see where we end up. Those little flat subcars have got some places I can hide away from the wind. The advantage now is I've got this wind pushing me all the way back. Otherwise I'm fighting it for the last 4 hours. So yeah, yeah, but this is only halfway. I've got to get back safely, so see you in a bit. Okay, bye bye yellow truck. We all secured. This is a wow chicky sesame bar. I'm not fucking with you. They call this thing a wow chicky. What the fuck? No. Go. Wow is not how I would describe it. Pretty cock is how I would describe it. Wow. Fucking wall. Fuck you.
I walk this desert alone, I crawl my way through the dust, built this road on my own, in me I trust. I walk this desert alone, crawl my way through the dust, built this road on my own, in me I trust. Watch your kingdom fall, your daggers turn to us. Been on this trail so long, in me I trust. Been on this trail so long, in me I trust.
Oh, fucking hell. Yellow truck route done. Not only done, but done in one day. 71 kilometers. 10 hours of riding. I'm a little tired. I'm very hungry. I'll speak later.
Morning. So, expedition done. Yeah, I came in last night. I'm supposed to have done it over 2 nights, over 1 night, 2 days. But when I turned, I just
just kept pushing. I realized, when I got to 30 k's away, I was like, I could push another 5 k's. And then I got to 20 k's, it's like, I could probably get another 10 k's. And then it was 10 k's, I was like, bloody hell, might as well just finish it. So finished it up last night, really tired, really drained. When I got in, I just basically set up camp and ate and crashed. But amazing ride, 70 kilometers, 71 kilometers, 10 hours riding, the longest single desert ride I've ever done. Greatest amount of elevation as well, I think 1,600 meters of elevation. So lots of up and down. The dunes are big, just as big as the dunes in Liwa. But the dunes here don't have a discernible pattern. Well, they do have a discernible pattern, but it's completely unforgiving. There's no flow. You've got almost like a grid pattern of dunes. So no matter which direction you're going, you're never in a flat. You're always climbing or going downhill. But there's a sort of a grid of patterns. You can't just go down a flat section. And for some reason, unluckiness is the direction I wanted to go happened to have all the slip faces. So I did a fair amount of bike pushing. Admittedly, though, the sand was nice and hard compared to last time. It was rock hard. The rain had helped. It's made it nice and solid. So I had some really long, fast downhills, which helped my time. Yellow Truck itself, well, I can understand why it got stuck. On normal days, normal conditions, that sand is extremely soft. There's no way to get in and out of there. I'm still not exactly sure why it's out there, but there's nothing else out there, so I'm not sure how it ended up there. But anyway, not an expedition I would repeat in a hurry. The sand here is very, very dangerous. Anybody trying this needs to be ultra careful, because things can go wrong here very quickly, as we saw last weekend. But yeah, all sorted. I'm happy. I'm happy came back safe. Another one under the belt, and cheers. I think it was the coffee that was driving me to come back quicker, because I didn't have coffee out there. Maybe I needed coffee. Cheers. Look at that. Cool.